The government seems to be quite on this.
I don't think the government is quite on it. The complaints have been filed. I am confident the government will act on the complaints.
What would be your personal reaction?
My personal reaction is what?
How you see this remarks?
The remark? I think it is unfortunate. I have to admit that I know Mr. Bellinger personally. I hold him in high regard. I do not know what has provoked him into making such a statement. To me, he is otherwise a thorough gentleman. Something must have provoked him. And
this is not our first time. He had done it earlier.
no, I agree. I have not said he's not done it earlier. But something must be some return must be there. That's why he's come out with this statement.
Seeking a DNA, you feel that?
That is a way of saying. That is a way of saying what you do DNA and what you are going to achieve with the DNA. What are you trying to say? You are trying to study his parentage of family history. What are you going to do with the DNA?
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.